We won! Yeah! Maybe! Where are you? We won! Yes! We won it, Nova. We've just won it. So, I'm here. Excuse the mess. I'm on Copart, look. I'm on Copart. Basically, in that part of the video, I just waffled on about Copart and Copart's fees. I showed you what cars I was watching that day and what I was willing to pay for them. And I basically, out of all the cars I was looking at, I found a Mini Cooper which had a good profit margin on it with little to no damage. I think it just needed a bonnet. But I'm not quite sure what footage I can show you of like Copart's website, because obviously I've got a membership. I'm not quite sure what they allow and what they don't allow. So if you want to see me explain it and go into more detail of what like I work out what I can and can't do with cars and work out whether a car is worth it or not, then drop a comment and I'll see if I can release the footage. But yeah, let's get back to the video. It sold for £1,550. Yeah, £1,550. That sold for the exact same price as a Porsche Cayenne GTS. The Audi TT that I was looking at sold for £1,750. The Ford Fiesta was £1,450, which I think is too much for that Fiesta. That Mini Cooper wasn't a bad price, but everybody went crazy on it. I might have a look at this Fiat 500, 70k miles. It's blue. It's got a front wing bumper damage. Let me have a quick look, see how much I could buy it for and go that way. Hold on. I'm not giving up, but these Fiat 500s, they're like 1,550. That's a Cat C, Cat D. They're all like £1.5. It's currently at 275 quid. So if I weren't to make any money on it, 500 quid, 792. I reckon that's my max, to be honest. I won't want to go much more than that to make, what, 500 quid. We're on. We're on. £300. We've got £200 left to go. It's off up in 25s. It's off up in 25s.
Bonus time.
Right, we're doing it. Bid. We're bidding. We're bidding. We're bidding. We're winning. 325. We're winning. We've bidded. Maybe that was too early, but it said bonus time. What? Imagine if we win
Bonus
this.
time.
Imagine. It's PSL as well.
Bonus time.
Come on, give me it. Give me it. 325. That's like 600 quid. Must be. Yeah! We won! Yeah! Maybe! Where are you? We won! Yes! We won it, Nova. We've just won a Fiat 500. How do you feel? Yeah, great. Yeah, great chat. Great chat. So, I've got no clue what I do now, but I've just won a Fiat 500. I could go get it now. Can I get it now? Visit payments due to make a payment. So calculate that. Your current amount due is 565. So I've just got a Fiat 500 for 565. I'm actually gassed. Payments due. Visit payments due. We'll buy it on the business card. Obviously. Come on. Order delivery. Narco. I'll just come get it now. I'll literally jump in the car. I've literally got my lamb chops like going. Pay. Right. I'll pay and then I'll get back to you. Card issuer charge, but 5734. Oh. Right, that's it. That's what we need to be looking at there. Confirm and pay. Confirming and paying for the Fiat 500. Can't show you the rest of the details. Right, it's asking me to confirm. Hold on. Just confirmed. Success! Your payment has been marked as paid. And then what do I do now? We'll begin processing your title. It's come out of my bank 'cause I've just seen it. Return to payment. Right, so I've paid. Dashboard. How do I get it in? Now. Fiat 500, lots 1. What do I do now? View all lots 1. Add delivery. Does that mean... No, I don't want that. Fuck that. 120 quid. It's round corner. So I've won it. Anyway, I've won it. 573 quid it's cost me. But I've won a Fiat 500. So we'll cut to me if today in this outfit, if I've got the car. I'm probably gonna have a jumper on, but we'll cut to that. So I'm currently on my way. Hold on. Ring that game. Currently on my way to pick the granny up. Granny's going to drive this car back, and I'm going to drive the Fiat back, and that's all being well there. It'll jump off and we can get it started. If not, I'm going to have to push it, and I'll have to push it like somewhere else other than Copart lot. So yeah, fingers crossed. It says it runs and drives, so fingers crossed I can push it off, or jump start it off of my BMW. So cut to me in Copart parking lot thing, looking at the car. I'm hoping as well they don't want me to trailer it away, because that'd be a nightmare. Because I can't. There's a guy in the village who sells his trailer for 35 quid a day. So you have 35 pounds, you get it for a day. But I've got no tow bar on any of my cars, none on Nana's, none on my van, not even on this or my mum's, so no tow bar, so we'd be fucked. I'm here, I've just been in, and they're telling me the car's going to be over there. I've just been in to speak to them, and you can drive them away, so that's a good thing. I think I see it, I think it's over there, but as you can see, we're here. It gets dropped over at this fence a little bit here, and then you can drive it away. That's if it starts. So we'll see. Granny hasn't seen the car, so we'll see Granny's reaction. So we're here, Granny, aren't we? I won't put you on camera because you said you didn't want to be on camera. But what do you think the car is? Should we do a little...
I think it's I can't even think. Like Nana Jones.
No, it's not like Nana June's, no. There's a nice Mercedes over there, look, can you see it? The GL, I think it's a GLE or GL something. So yeah, we're just waiting for them to bring it over. Look at the lovely sunset at Copart.
Sunset, yeah.
And then that's, you pull it over there.
I don't want that. You don't want that.
Fiat 500?
No.
Really?
Too little. Don't like them.
Oh, I think it's cute.
No, I don't want it.
I think it's mint. So unfortunately, this bloke that you can see right here proceeded to say that I wasn't allowed to film on site. So I didn't get much footage of him bringing the Fiat over. Well, I didn't get any footage at all. And this was because he didn't want to be recorded at work, which is fair enough. But then he started to say Copart would ban you for 3 months if they caught you recording, which is a total lie, because my mate, Matt Armstrong, records. So if he records, I can. Or not. How was the drive, Granny?
Oh, great, I love it.
Yeah, really?
How much room have I got?
You keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yep. Perfect. Do you actually like it?
I do. Oh,
It suits
does
you.
it come out?
It does,
Funny thing is, it's too dark, isn't it? And it's...
it does suit you.
Feels like
Got to hang the... Oh, we won't hang the key up. We'll
no, something like
leave the key down there.
Actually, I should have parked it there.
Why?
And then, well, it's when she moves, you'll be able to see it crash, won't you?
Stick that back on there.
It does still look like a bit of a wreck. If I put it there, and then I put mine at the side of it.
Yeah, go on then. Bloody hell. Not looking good if I can't put that on. Anyway, that's one thing I didn't see on the pictures, the dent there.
Oh, that doesn't really matter, does it?
It doesn't, but I'll see if we can get it pulled out.
Oh, there's no aerial for radio.
We've nabbed it. We'll have to nab one from you pull it. So it looks like new. Might get away with it. Fresh palmy, alright. New bumper, new bonnet, new headlight. Headlight will come from Copart, from You'll Pull It. But yeah, I love Fiat 500s, you know.
Motorway with it, that's all. Because you know how wagons come past you and that.
What nice interior.
I don't know what that is it crisps or foam? Has a dog been in them?
I think a rat has been in here, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, I bet it's a rat.
I hope it's not still in there.
Well, open the boot, because
It's a nest.
watch him jump out of their rubbish. I wouldn't be surprised, you know. All the rubbish. What's that? Ariel! Stick that on. First fix, the aerial. Looks kind of wonky though. I can't lie, still. Right. Some has been eating this. 100% have been a rat in here. Definitely been a rat in there. That must be a rat. Yeah, the bastard thing. That's a new seat as well. Look how nicely conditioned that is in. That's all nice. And then
Can you still see?
I'd have to get a new. The bench will come out. It'll just be a bench. A new bench. This look. Watch us find a rat hidden under here. Yeah. Oh, they've actually chewed that as well. No. No. That's a nightmare. That's a shame. New back seats then. But, do you want your phone, Granny? So, in your bag? Yeah. Your bag's here, Granny. You're losing plot.
Oh no, that's why you need to look after it.
Oh, that's a bit flat, that tyre.
Oh God, isn't it?
Don't really tread on it now. That one's a bit bolder though. Needs a door handle, but I know these are prone to needing door handles and shit like that there. That tyre's the same as the other one. Spongy a bit. And that tyre is alright. So it needs front bumper. You know, the bonnet we might be able to get away with.
Alright, isn't it?
Yeah. So I think we don't need a bonnet. Looks fine to me, it's not crumpled. So maybe not a bonnet. So we need a wing and a bumper. Not going to try fix the bumper out. Wing, bumper, door handle. This one needs sorting as well. Needs gluing back on. So they're just prone to coming off. There's a proper fix for that. But yeah, and then either try pull that out or whatever. Yeah, cool. Very cool. Oh, and so it needs seats, wing and bumper and door handle. So I reckon I can open the... I'll go like this. Nah. Nah. So yeah, pretty cool. Started on the button as well, that was good. Oh, this battery must be dead in here. Oh, is it there? Can't tell. Might just have to be left unlocked. Yeah, fair enough, it's not a lot. So I'm just here with the hire van. You know how I've just literally just bought the Fiat. There's one right here. Same colour and everything. That's mental. Imagine it's her car coming over. Mental. There's a dog in it.